a relationship demands a shared vision. Trust must be earned through hard work, determination, and unwavering reliability. Strong relationships unlock the potential for mutual success. Start a relationship that will take your business to the next level. And together, with Allied Telesis, we can do more. Meet the SwitchBlade x908 Generation 2, a high-capacity 2.6 terabit modular switch for your enterprise or campus core that is a perfect start to a brand new relationship. It's today's answer to the IoT age and smarter industries, where an ever-growing demand for bandwidth requires a future-proof and highly scalable migration path from 10 to 40 and even 100 gigabit connections. With a non-blocking, scalable, hot-swappable architecture supporting today's fastest Ethernet speeds, you're free to grow your network without a pause. Add more capacity with stacking. Create a single virtual chassis using VC stack technology for complete resilience and the performance your network demands. The x908 Gen 2 manages your whole network with full visibility. Automated backup and upgrades, zero-touch recovery and expansion save you valuable time and resources. It's the ultimate in performance. Future-proof, modular design, flexible and expandable, easy to upgrade and manage, OpenFlow enabled for SDN readiness. Harness the power of a smarter network in a hyper-connected world. Trust Allied Telesis to get you there on less. The SwitchBlade x908 Gen 2. Allied Telesis. Network smarter.